This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheels. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolts adapter where necessary, slacken each of the rear wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced jacking point on the base of the final drive unit and raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with axle stands under the plastic jacking points under the door sills. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Locate the wheel over the hub and align the mounting holes. Insert and lightly tighten the bolts. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.